EasyPrint Project is promoting a circular approach to 3D printing and prototyping through holistic pre-evaluation, customization and adaptation, technological suitability, material consciousness, cost transparency, promotion of climate change awareness. The integration of the project's application with KYKLOS 4.0 offers a rich array of circular benefits such as the streamlined user interaction made possible through a front-end module, minimization of the potential errors and inefficiencies, tailoring of the products to meet the specific requirements of users, pinpoint the exact quantity of materials required for a project, alerting users of the CO2 production tied to their printing choices thanks to the LCA simulation engine, recommendations for sustainable printing materials. KYKLOS 4.0 services such as the Rapid Prototyping Module, the Web 3D Modeling Component, and the LCA Simulation Engine have been closely incorporated into EasyPrint, posing as a connection point between its different circularity-enhancing functionalities. EasyPrint offers a platform in which the user can easily access KYKLOS 4.0 services in order to facilitate the design of the manufacturing product and flexibly keeping track of the different printing hypotheses. The time-saving nature of EasyPrint processes enables on-demand manufacturing, where products are produced as the orders come in. This approach reduces the need for large-scale, batch production, minimizing waste and resource consumption, and aligns with the circular economy's goal of doing more with less.